Good morning. Happy Saturday, guys. We are about to go on an adventure because I don't be thinking that Neil be listening to me and he disrespectful for turning on his car when I'm talking. But anyways, I don't be thinking that he be listening to me, but I don't know what got in me one day when I said that I wanted to go hiking. So yesterday he was like, babe, tomorrow we're getting up and going hiking. And if you know me, you know that me and outdoors, me and climbing stuff, it ain't. So yeah, y'all pray for me, girl. Y'all gonna see us going on this hike because I don't really know how this is about to go. So yeah, you'll see us whenever we get to wherever we're going, because he won't tell me, somewhere here in Arizona. So stay tuned. Be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you never miss any of our videos. And yeah, it's not about to go well. I can already tell. It's currently 9:42, so we'll see how long it takes us. It might take me, I might finish faster because I'm probably not gonna finish. Huh?
So what?
I didn't say nothing. That's nasty. What you gotta say to the people?
Let's see how long you last.
I'm gonna finish faster.
Are you?
Yeah.
You already know the route. So how you gonna finish fast?
Anyways, yeah, let's get this going. When did I say that?
Last week. You tired?
Yeah, I'm out of breath. Fat people can't do this. Oh my God.
Yep. This is what's up.
Don't ask me if I want to go to the gym, because this is enough.
How?
Because my chest hurt.
You wanna go walking?
My chest hurt. Y'all, I was not doing the rest of it. I told y'all I was supposed to be finished. What, babe? You've been leaving me, so I'm just talking to the people, telling them that I gave up.
I've been clearing the path for you, making sure ain't nothing biting you.
Yeah. Just cause I don't look like it, but I'm out of shape.
24 minutes.
Good. Lasted longer than I expected because I wanted to turn around right when we get out that car. Oh my gosh. You know what? Just drive the car down here. Oh, I'm tired, Grandpa. The next time any of y'all hear me say that I want to go hiking, find me, smack me, because it's enough for me. It's a definitely enough. I'm out of breath. It's too hot. And I'm out of breath.
What are you complaining about?
I'm saying that if anybody ever hear me say that I want to go hiking again, smack me, because I'm not. It's a no. It's a definite no.
Isn't that bad?
It was.
For 34 minutes. What's it for?
It was bad. It was bad for me. I don't work out. So I'm not up for the task no more. No challenge. I don't want none of that. Put me in some air, a swimming pool. Let's go swimming. We can go swimming. But this, Oh no, never again. Never again. Unless it's in some air conditioning. And if I'm physically fit. Because right now, I feel like Rasputia going up the mountains. And I was sliding down them just like him. Sliding on the slide. So, you wanna go swimming?
No. You asked me. I answered.
Okay, so whatever. Anyways, I go swim by myself. Because this was not it. So, yeah, that was it. If we do something else, y'all will see. I'm probably gonna add some more stuff to this vlog whenever we end up doing some more stuff, because that was short-lived. Because no ma'am, no hand, no turd. Okay. All right, we're back on the move. About to go eat some. You driving?
I'm driving what?
You say you were driving my car? Oh, okay, whatever. About to go eat some Chick-fil-A because, you know, we ain't got Chick-fil-A around here. And then I'm about to beat him in some games at this. Huh? I'm gonna beat him in some games. Oh, it feels lovely to sit in the passenger seat of the car. Oh, I don't know what this feels like.
Jesus Christ.
What?
What are you eating the steering wheel for?
What?
Why are you eating the steering wheel?
Ain't nobody eat a steering wheel. I'm short. Anyways, so yeah, y'all might see more of me because I'm not driving today.
Jesus.
So yeah, all right. We'll see y'all whenever we get some food in our systems, because after that hike,
It's tired. Talking all that shit.
anyways, yeah, we'll see y'all. All right, so we are at this, what is this? Golf and stuff or something like that in Tucson. So y'all about to see Emil get whooped and all this stuff. Okay, I let you make it on Topgolf, but today it's not happening. But
That's the same thing you said about going up the hill.
okay, no, I told the people that I wasn't going up the hill. I told them that I was quitting. You just didn't hear it.
Okay.
But anyways, y'all gonna see that I'm gonna whoop him. Yeah, so. Alright, trash talker here. Think he about to beat me in golf, but we're going the wrong way. Anyway, this trash talker thinks he's about to beat me in golf, and it's not gonna happen. That's where you need to be, in the prayer circle with them. But yeah. He's not about to beat me. Oh, it says course one this way. Anyways, yeah. I think they're like a little church group, because her shirt said something about no Jesus, no peace.
Go ahead, you go first.
Alright, so here we go. See, this is why he didn't want me to record, because he's trashed. Oh, what does that make that? 5? That was 5. Yeah. So I've been kicking his butt, and he didn't want anybody to see it. But that's okay, because I'm about to record it anyways. Y'all gonna see that I am gonna be the winner of this. He's a sore loser, so.
Watch her sorry self. She gonna hit this thing. Oh.
Y'all seen what your girl just did on the first one. This loser over here is not about to get it. He gon' while I'm sitting here doing this. Oh. Boy, I'm not in the way. Excuses. Everybody has them. Losers have them. Oh. So sorry, Stink. Oh my God. It's cheating, but you're the one doing it. We're having a brief intermission. So, how would you like to tell the people how you've been doing?
I'm doing great. I don't know about you.
You've been doing great?
I've been doing absolutely
Alright, we'll see what that score looks like at the end because right now I'm beating you.
We will.
He's been trying to count me out since we got here, but it's not working. Boom.
Golf is a game of patience.
What?
Golf is a game of patience.
Golf is a game of patience.
And skill and finesse.
Oh. Something you don't got?
I got skill, I got finesse, and I got patience.
Oh, patience? You don't have patience, so don't sit there and lie like that. Don't lie like that. Don't lie to the people. You'll lie.
Yeah.
You're lying right now. So somebody wanted to start playing better and now wants to talk crap.
Finesse, skill, and patience.
Patience, you don't have any, so
Apparently I do, because I just whooped your ass in that one and the one before.
you didn't.
It took you 12 cards.
It
Actually,
didn't.
It should
Anyways, don't listen to him because I'm the one that's winning and he hates to admit that I am winning.
Okay, we'll do it.
Oh, look at them. Oh, that's some big fish. Alright, and the moment of truth. I think he over here cheating.
Got 58.
If mine come out higher than his, it's because he cheated.
Oh, it's 57.
Aww. Who's the winner? It doesn't matter. No, it was. I actually won. But I won. What we won next? To the little boat things. So, he about to get whooped on these two.
Boy.
He's about to get whooped. Don't let him fool y'all. Because the last time we was on these, we actually did them together. We didn't race against each other the last time, did we? No, we were racing against other people. But this time, he about to get whooped, so.
You can either sit and be with all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah. One that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. You gon' waste your time, you gon' waste your time, baby. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. You gon' give you what you need. Waste your time, baby. You can have others, face.
Like he was pressed the button when he started, but I got the jackpot.
It's so pressure. If you got time to waste, waste it, baby. And I've been worth no deal. Are you all that I see? And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me, you look at nothing. I'll give you a hit, man. Might give you some inside. I'll share my world with you.
I think this is everybody gets the jackpot in this game.
I mean, honestly,
Date day was a success.
Hi.
He picked a good place.
I'm gonna sleep.
So would that mean I'm driving?
Nah, I'll drive.
Okay. Hey.
You got yourself for me.
Boy, no, I don't. Thank you very much.
You got the keys, right?
I guess.
Well,
Anyways,
stop by the party.
yeah. You wasn't going to them little kids' party. Oh, go with them. Oh, she all in her booty. Jesus Christ. All right. We'll see y'all whenever we get on the road or in the house or something. Happy Monday, y'all. You're probably wondering why I'm looking like I'm looking, but today was actually an off day for me. We had a 4-day weekend, so I rested Friday. This weekend, you saw what we did, and today, I've just been relaxing, washing my hair, so that's why it's all twisted up or whatever. And I've just been chilling, reading my devotional, reading my books, you know, just relaxing. Unfortunately, I have to go back to work tomorrow, but the good thing is summer is coming up really fast. So your girl is ready for summer because, woo, it's been 1 year. It's been a year, okay? But I just wanted to hop on to close out this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. Please comment anything that you would like to see us do, just different ideas, because you know I'm still thinking of ideas and things that I want to record and give to you guys. So if you have any suggestions, please drop them below in the comments, but don't forget to go ahead and subscribe so that you never miss one of our videos, and we'll see y'all on the next one.